So I'm in a Vauxhall Zafira 2009 model, which you can recognise from the dashboards and the steering column and this here. Now this is an armrest I bought off eBay for about £15. I've seen quite a few of these reviews on YouTube. Pretty much a nice leatherish sort of. It's kind of PVC or something, but it's nice. And it comes forward. You've probably seen the specifications before on the other one. Nice drink holder there. Some have little cup reserves at the back. You can pull it out and you can put cups in, but this one doesn't. It has a little ashtray. I'll keep my coins in it, but this is quite loose. It doesn't really stay in, so I could always super glue it, but it comes out if you need it to put your cup in. And it comes up there. I keep my sunglasses in, pens in, whatever I want. Some have different compartments where you can keep up again on this bit here. Some have little compartments where you can open up again. You can put your mobile phone in. This one doesn't seem to have that feature. I've seen a few on eBay that do. I wouldn't have minded it actually, but never mind. It's got adjustment, what do you call it, mount, so you can adjust it for your console. This console is about 150 this way. From end to the other side, and this expands till about 180 or something like that, so it fitted in quite nicely. As you can see, I put screws in there, and I always use a washer, because on the other side, like a clown, I didn't use a washer and I screwed in too tight and I cracked the plastic, so I took it out and put some washer on. It will hold. It's not really noticeable around the other side of the other side of the mount. So yeah, so I took it out, put a washer on. So always use a washer on there. Quite standard really, that's what they're there for, just to stop damage. And I'll put a screw in there, because if you don't put a screw in, basically it wobbles from side to side. But it's secure now from both sides. It is not greatly easy to install it so much on a Zafira, but I managed it. It's manageable. So yeah, it will fit this type of armrest. Now what I've not seen on other reviews before, I've seen on some reviews, is that this whole thing pushes back because of the armrest. You know, it can get in your way quite a bit, but on this one it comes back like most armrests. It just pulls back and you can get to your handbrake quite nicely, so it's not really interfering with your handbrake is what you would think it would do. And I've not seen other reviews to explain that. So yes, it does come back and it goes back forwards. It clips in and it comes back. Now if that does break off for whatever reason, which it hasn't on this stage, if it does break off, I can't see it as a disaster, because gravity will obviously keep it down, or should do. But yeah, so other than that, it's not bad for the value of £15.50, round about that. Okay, that's end of my review. Okay, bye for now.